This is how the cup holder is before. See, like that's a cup right there for reference, but it's not really very sturdy. If I put this right here, see how easy it is for tilt over. So we got this thing from BH 3D printing. About to put it on. Hey, what up my cruisers? So I just wanted to make a quick video on the aftermarket 3D printed cup holder that I got for my KZJ 78 Prado. This also worked for the 70 series Land Cruiser. So I got it from Etsy, BH 3D printed. You can double-sided tape or you can screw it down if you get aftermarket screws from like a hardware store or something. I'll link in the description as well. It's $52, which is kind of pricey, but it's worth it in my opinion, because the JDM cup holders are really not what you need in the US. You know, if you want to go to the drive-thru or something with fast food, it's not going to fit the cups. So definitely worth it in my opinion, and quality is pretty good. Only thing is they forgot the 2 strips in the middle of the cup holder, which I'll show you later. You'll see that they didn't put it on, but definitely worth the buy. So this works for the KZJ 78 Prado, which I have, or the 70 series Land Cruiser. BH 3D printing, pretty solid design. Comes only in black, I believe, right now, but it says Land Cruiser on there. Pretty cool. So you could put it like this way. I guess you could do it like that, but then it kind of blocks this part. So I think it goes this way. It goes like that. That way. It says Land Cruiser right there. And you know, you can put your phone right here. Let's see. I put my phone right there. Yeah, I can put my phone right there. But I think you could screw it down here too if you wanted to, right there. So we're just gonna unscrew this right here. So it doesn't work on the KZJ, so we just have to double-sided tape it. It's not long enough.
Moments later.
Tape off. Ideally, you're gonna want to make sure this is clean, but we're gonna trust it. I haven't really put anything on here, so it should be clean for the most part. And I believe this is 3M double-sided tape. Not even sticking on here. So what I did is I got some double-sided tape that I had inside my house, and I stuck it right there in the middle, in between the 2 holes where the cups go, right at the bottom, that flat surface right there in the middle, which I showed you guys earlier, and that's where I stuck it. So this is how it looked like before, just in case you needed to know how it looked like. But now it looks a lot better with that 3D printed cup holder. Make sure you comment if you got any questions, subscribe, hit that like button, please, share, turn on your notifications, and I'll see you on the next one. I got a full walk around video coming up.